back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious Mediterranean pasta salad. We're going to need 500 grams pasta like sporelli, fusilli, etc. Then 160 grams pickled dried tomatoes, 160 grams black olives, 300 grams cherry tomatoes, 200 grams feta cheese, 210 grams cucumber, 1 red onion, then 2 teaspoons salt, and 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Start by cooking your pasta according to package instructions, then drain them and toss them in the olive oil. Then we're going to halve our cherry tomatoes and our olives. And chop the dried tomatoes. Dice your cucumber. Then we're going to peel and dice our onion. Now we're going to add everything to the pasta along with the salt and the vinegar. You can drizzle it with extra olive oil if you like, and then toss to combine. Enjoy!